Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to create an alert rule in Grafana. First step is open Grafana and navigate through alerts. Log into your Grafana dashboard. On the left sidebar, select the alerting menu option. Click on alert rules. Second step, create a new alert rule. Click on the new alert rule button. Choose the appropriate data source for your alert. This could be Prometheus, InfluxDB, etc. Third is configure the alert rule. Define query. Set up a query to monitor the metric you want to alert on. This typically involves selecting the relevant metrics and setting conditions for the alert. Second, alert conditions. Specify the condition under which the alert should trigger. Example, when a metric exceeds a certain threshold. Lastly, evaluate frequency. Set how often the alert rule should be evaluated. For example, every 1 minute. Step 4. Set up notifications. Under the notification section, choose where you want to send alerts. You can configure notification channels like email, Slack, etc. that you've already set up in Grafana. Customize the message template if needed. Lastly, configure alert rule details. Give your alert rule a name and a description. Set the severity level. It is optional though. And save the alert rule. Review your settings and click save to create the alert rule, and that's it.